Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another ready to eat food. Basically just fry and it will be ready, and it's from McCain again, and the product is the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz. Guys, these are amazing appetizers, ready to cook appetizers, ready to eat. And today we are going to review the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes in this plastic packet right here, right? Right on top, a big thing that they have shown here, that there is a 20% extra free offer that is there. Basically, it used to be a 400 gram pack, but they are giving 20% extra, that 80 grams extra in it, so which is almost like a half kg pack right now. Right here we can see the McCain branding here on the pack, and then the name of the product, which is Potato Cheese Shotz. These are crunchy nuggets of potato and cheese, right? Down below it says ready in 3 minutes, store in freezer, cook without thawing. So you don't need to thaw it, you just need to take it out of the freezer and quickly fry it, and it will be ready and within 3 minutes. Actual product is in frozen form. Image shown is suggested serving with accompaniment after product is cooked. So this is how it will look after it is cooked, nice and golden brown color. Packs without offer also available in the market. So there are packs which are also available without the offer of 20% extra. Moving on to the back of the pack, right here the nutritional information has been mentioned. So every 100 gram packs in 231 kcal of energy, which provide for 8.09 grams of protein, 24.26 grams of carbohydrates, of which 4.6 grams are sugar. Total fat content is 11.3 grams, of which 6.97 are saturated fats. There's zero trans fat in it. Sodium is 735 milligrams. Here are the license numbers given, and the net weight of the pack, like I mentioned, is 480 grams, which is basically the original pack used to be 400 grams. But with the 20% extra offer, it is 80 grams free, so you get 480 grams. Best before 12 months, so the shelf life is 12 months of the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz is 12 months from the date of manufacture, and you need to keep it stored at minus 18 degrees Celsius or below in a freezer. See below for manufacturing date, batch number, etc. etc. Now coming to the MRP of it, the MRP is rupees 205. So rupees 205 for 480 grams is a good deal. You should go for it. And they make for an amazing appetizer. On the other side, they are giving the ingredients. So the ingredients are 40% of the cheese shot nuggets are basically potato, 30% are processed cheese, so there's a lot of cheese in it. And in cheese they have cheddar cheese, milk solids and emulsifiers, iodized salt, preservatives, breadcrumbs, and it is coated in breadcrumbs, yeast, iodized salt, preservatives, antioxidants, palm oil, batter. They use a batter of refined wheat flour, which is maida, starch, corn flour, iodized salt and thickeners. Seasoning, flavor enhancers, anti-cakey agents, corn flour, onion powder, iodized salt, red chili flakes, parsley. All of these are used to add flavor to it. It contains added flavor, nature and nature identical flavoring substances, contains wheat, soya and milk derivatives. So if you have allergy from any of it, avoid this product. So you need to cook without thawing. Basically, step 1, deep fry it. You can easily deep fry it. Take it off. Preheat the oil in a kadai to 175 degrees Celsius. Then step 2, take the product from the freezer. Fry directly. Do not thaw. Step 3, put the desired quantity gently in hot oil and deep fry. Step 4, seal and keep the remaining products in the freezer again. So that is given here, the steps are given here. Any complaints, there is a complaint number given here to which you can directly get to. So now guys, let's go ahead and open it and check out the product. So here's my scissor. Let me just try to open. So now one thing about the packaging, I felt for such products they should definitely have a Ziploc pack which can easily seal, because after using it, sealing and keeping it is a bit difficult, right? where are you going to seal it and keep it with? So they should definitely try and provide a Ziploc bag. So there are quite a few nuggets here. I'm not going to count them, but I think approximately there will be 25 to 30 nuggets in it. So this is how the nuggets look. This is how the potato cheese shot look. They're cylindrical in shape, right? Coated with breadcrumbs. Currently it's frozen. It's in frozen form. So I need to go deep fry it and prepare it. But they are like bite size, not really large, bite size nuggets here, which is perfect for like finger foods to have at parties and appetizers at parties. So next time you have a party at home, you don't need to think of what do I cook for appetizers and stuff. Just go ahead, buy a packet of nuggets, buy a packet of these frozen foods, and they work amazing as appetizers and people just love it. So guys, this is how it looks. So let's go ahead, let's cook it up. I'm quickly going to fry them and then we'll do a quick taste test on how does the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz taste. So we are going to do that taste test, and I'm going to break it open and show you what's inside it as well. So let's do that. Guys, I have prepared the potato cheese shotz here from McCain, and they are ready, and they look just amazing, nicely colored, golden colored here, like I have a plateful here. Now let's quickly look at the texture of it. It has a nice crispy texture on the outside due to the breadcrumbs on it, and they are nice and soft to the touch inside. So let's go ahead, open it up and check out. So this is how it looks from the inside, guys. Basically there are herbs inside. You can see there's chili, there's herbs inside, and there's a lot of cheese and potato inside. You can see there's cheese, a mixture of cheese and potato inside. So that's what's inside this, and it has an outer crispy covering of breadcrumbs on it. So that's how it looks. So guys, let's go ahead and do a taste test of the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz. Very nice, very cheesy, a burst of cheesy flavor inside, a mix of potato and cheese, and the outer crispiness of the breadcrumbs. Just amazing. I really liked it. So overall for taste, I would definitely rate it a 5 on 5. For the convenience, another 5 on 5. Storage, a 3 on 5, because storage is difficult without having a Ziploc. So I had to transfer it to another Ziploc bag and store it. So yeah guys, that's my rating on it. So an average of 4.5 I would give it. So this is how it goes. I'm using it with the Viva sandwich spread as a dip right now, and let's see how does that taste. Goes really well with the Viva cheese and chili sandwich spread. I'm using that as a dip right now, and it goes well as a dip as well. Do check out my review on the Viva cheese and chili sandwich spread as well. I left the link in the description below. Check it out from there. And guys, if you all looking to buy the McCain Potato Cheese Shotz online, it's available on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I left a link in the description below. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.